Okay, both pumps are running, flowing 655 gallons an hour up to the top, and we'll take a look up top and see if the overflow can handle it. So far, so good. The pumps haven't cavitated, they haven't drawn down the pump chamber, which they'll do if the overflow is struggling, because it'll take so much head pressure to push that 55 gallons an hour back down. It's slowly dropping. So it's looking like this overflow, it's almost keeping up. Not quite. I have a feeling at this point, if I add more water to the sump, that it'll start keeping up. We'll see. But before we add more water, let's look at the weir. And again, it's at its limit. Is it swamped? Yeah. It's on the verge of being swamped. Pump any more water up top than we are now, and the water level is just going to rise higher and higher up the weir. Which it may do anyway when I add more water to the sump. We'll find out.